The Rise of Vidu AI, a New Era in Video Generation. Chapter 1. The Spark of Innovation. In the rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, a new contender has emerged, poised to redefine the boundaries of video creation. Vidu AI, developed by Shangshu Technology in collaboration with Tsinghua University, has quickly captured global attention, challenging established players and ushering in a new era of AI-powered video generation. This documentary explores the remarkable journey of Vidu AI, from its academic roots to its groundbreaking technological achievements and its profound impact on the future of digital content. The story of Vidu AI is not just about code and algorithms. It is a story of vision, collaboration, and the relentless pursuit of artificial general intelligence. It begins in the hallowed halls of Tsinghua University, often referred to as the MIT of China. Here, a group of brilliant minds, led by Professor Zhu Jun and his team, were pushing the boundaries of what machines could understand about the visual world. Chapter 2. The Genesis, Shangshu Technology. Shangshu Technology was founded in early 2023, a year that will be remembered as the Big Bang of generative AI. While the world was reeling from the impact of large language models like GPT-4, the team at Shangshu was looking further ahead. They weren't just interested in text. They wanted to model the world itself. At its core, Shangshu Technology is driven by a vision to enhance human creativity and productivity through advanced multimodal AI models. A pivotal aspect of Vidu AI's development is its deep connection with Tsinghua University. Co-founder and CEO, Jiayu Tang, an alumnus of Tsinghua, brought together academic rigor and entrepreneurial spirit. This partnership highlights a growing trend of academic research translating directly into cutting-edge commercial applications. The name Shangshu itself carries deep meaning. In Chinese, it evokes the idea of generating and calculating, a nod to the computational power required to bring digital dreams to life. From its inception, the startup focused on the general world model, a framework that doesn't just predict pixels but understands the laws of physics, motion, and interaction. Chapter 3. The Global Stage Unveiling Vidu. Vidu AI made its grand debut at the 2024 Zhongguancun Forum in Beijing. The atmosphere was electric. Just months prior, OpenAI had shocked the world with Sora, a model that could generate hyperrealistic videos. The pressure was on for a Chinese counterpart that could match that level of sophistication. The unveiling did not disappoint. Vidu demonstrated its ability to generate high-definition 1080p videos up to 16 seconds long from simple text prompts. But it wasn't just the length that impressed. It was the consistency. A character moving through a scene stayed the same character. Lighting changed realistically as objects moved. This capability, achieved through a self-developed architecture, positioned Vidu as a significant rival in the burgeoning field of text-to-video AI. The launch event underscored China's growing prowess in AI innovation. It wasn't just about catching up. It was about contributing original research to the global AI community. Vidu was proof that the gap between the leading AI labs in the West and the East was closing faster than anyone had predicted. Chapter 4. The Architecture of Reality UVT. What makes Vidu different? To understand that, we have to look under the hood at its proprietary UVT architecture. In the early days of generative AI, researchers used either diffusion models or transformers. Diffusion models were great at creating high-quality images, while transformers were the kings of understanding sequences and long-range dependencies. The breakthrough for Vidu was the UVT, a unified architecture that integrates the diffusion transformer paradigm. This allows the model to build a fundamental understanding of the physical world by replicating how humans perceive and simulate reality. Shangshu Technology describes its foundation world model as the world's first to achieve a unified general world model, bridging the digital and physical realms. This deep understanding enables Vidu to not only generate visually stunning content, but also to improve consistency, physical plausibility, and interactivity in its creations. When you tell Vidu to generate a glass of water spilling on a wooden table, the model doesn't just guess what it looks like. It understands the fluid dynamics and how light refracts through the water. Chapter 5. Evolution and Milestones. Since its initial launch, Vidu AI has undergone continuous development and refinement. The team didn't rest on their laurels. They understood that, in the AI race, standing still is the same as falling behind. Key updates have introduced enhanced features such as support for multiple reference images, up to 7 at once. This allows creators to maintain strict visual continuity across different shots, a feature that is essential for professional filmmaking. You can feed the model a character design, a specific background, and a color palette, and Vidu will weave them together into a coherent scene. The Vidu Q3 model, released in early 2026, was a major milestone. Designed specifically for storytelling, it supported synchronized audio-video generation. No longer was the AI just a silent filmmaker. It could now generate the sound of rustling leaves, distant traffic, or a character's footsteps in perfect sync with the visuals. These iterative improvements demonstrate Shangshu Technology's commitment to providing creators with increasingly sophisticated tools. Chapter 6. The Competitive Landscape. The field of AI video generation is a crowded one. Beyond OpenAI's Sora, Vidu faces competition from other giants and startups alike. Models like Kling, Luma Dream Machine, and Runway Gen 3 are all vying for dominance. Each model has its strengths. Some excel at hyperrealism, while others focus on artistic style or speed. Vidu's edge lies in its Flow tool and its deep integration of reference-to-video capabilities. It offers a level of control that many other models lack, allowing users to direct the AI like a cinematographer rather than just throwing prompts at a black box. This competition is healthy for the industry. It drives innovation and forces companies to lower costs and improve accessibility. For the user, it means that the tools available today are exponentially better than what was possible just a year ago. Chapter 7. Impact on the creative industry. Vidu AI's emergence has sent ripples across the AI and creative industries. Its ability to rapidly generate high-quality video content has significant implications for social media, advertising, filmmaking, and even gaming. In the world of advertising, Vidu allows for rapid prototyping. A marketing team can test 10 different visual concepts in the time it used to take to storyboard one. In filmmaking, it's democratizing the big-budget look. An independent creator with a great story but a small budget can now generate cinematic shots that would have previously required a full production crew and expensive CGI. But this democratization also brings challenges. What happens to the traditional roles in the industry? Will AI replace cinematographers and editors? The consensus among experts is that AI is a tool, not a replacement. It handles the grunt work, allowing humans to focus on the high-level creative decisions, the soul of the story. Chapter 8. Ethical Frontiers and the Path to AGI. As with any powerful technology, Vidu AI raises important ethical questions. The ability to generate realistic video from text opens the door to deepfakes and misinformation. How can we trust what we see when seeing is no longer believing? Shangshu Technology has been proactive in addressing these concerns, implementing watermarking and content moderation tools. However, the responsibility also lies with society and regulators to establish clear guidelines for the ethical use of generative AI. Beyond ethics, Vidu is a stepping stone toward a larger goal: artificial general intelligence, AGI. By teaching machines to understand and simulate the physical world, researchers are building the foundation for robots that can navigate complex environments and AI assistants that truly understand the context of our lives. Chapter 9. The Future Bridging Worlds. The substantial investment led by Alibaba Cloud, amounting to 2 billion yuan, further solidifies Vidu's position as a key player. This funding is being used to build the World Action Model, a system where the AI doesn't just watch the world, but can interact with it. As Shangshu Technology continues to develop its general world model, Vidu AI is set to play a pivotal role in shaping the future of digital content creation. We are moving toward a future where the barrier between imagination and reality is thinner than ever. A future where anyone, anywhere, can tell a story that looks as real as the world around them. Conclusion: a new canvas. Vidu AI represents a significant leap forward in artificial intelligence, showcasing the power of collaborative innovation between academia and industry. Its advanced UVT architecture and continuous evolution promise to revolutionize how we create and consume video content. As Vidu AI continues to mature, its impact on the creative landscape will undoubtedly grow. It is not just a tool for making videos. It is a new canvas for the human imagination. The story of Vidu is still being written, and the chapters to come promise to be even more extraordinary than the ones that brought us here.